Hello everyone, good evening to everyone. Let's get started our reading Taurus. Something massive is about to enter your life. And no, this is not just another random prediction. The universe has been quietly preparing you for a financially breakthrough that could completely change your future. But before this money arrives, something unexpected will happen first. A truth will be revealed, a connection may shift, and you may suddenly feel pushed away from certain people or situations. Don't ignore these signs. What's happening right now is not a punishment, it's preparation for a abundance you have been waiting for. Taurus, the energy surrounding your life right now is extremely powerful. Even if everything feels confusing at the moment, you may have been dealing with stress, delays, emotional exhaustion, or financial pressure recently. But none of it happens by accident. The universe has been forcing you to slow down, reflect, and prepare for a major shift. This is now getting closer every single day. What's coming into your life has the potential to change your Let's talk about the strange phase before success. Right now, Taurus, you may feel like you are stuck in a strange in-between phase where nothing is fully working. Yet nothing is completely falling apart either. This is the pause before the rise stage. You might notice people becoming distant, plans getting delays, or opportunities not responding the way they used to. Emotionally, you could feel tired, overthinking, small things are questioning your direction, but this is not a failure period. It is a preparation period. The universe often isolates strong soul like you right before major success. So you can detach from distraction and false support. What feels like confusion is actually alignments happening behind the scene. Taurus, even though things may feel slow right now, a hidden opportunity is quietly moving toward you. It may not arrive in the way you expect, and at first you might even overlook it. These opportunities could come through a new conversation, a sudden message, a delayed payment, or someone from your past reconnecting with an offer. The important thing is to stay alert and open-minded. What looks small or unimportant at first could actually be the doorway to major financial growth. The universe often hides blessing inside ordinary moments, and this one is no different. You may feel unsure or hesitate when it appears, but don't let fear block your decision. Trust your decision more than outside opinions. Taurus, this is the kind of chance that can slowly build into long-term stability and wealth, but only if you recognize it in the time and take in action when the moments arrive. Taurus, someone in your circle may soon reveal their true intentions, and it could surprise you. This is not meant to scare you but to open your eyes. A person who once seemed supportive might started acting differently when your energy began to rise. You may notice changes in their words, distance in their behavior, or lack of genuineness, happiness for your progress. This moment is important because it will help you clearly see who is truly aligned with your growth and who is not. The truth may feel uncomfortable and at first, but it is necessary for your next level. The universe is removing hidden energy around you so that only real, loyal connections remain. Taurus, don't react emotionally. Observe carefully. This elevation is actually protection, helping you clear space for a bigger blessing, including the financial breakthrough that is already on its way to you. Taurus, after everything you have been through, a powerful financial breakthrough, energy is finally building around you. This is not just a small improvement, it is a shift that can completely change your stability and lifestyle over time. You may started noticing money-related delays suddenly clearing, new income ideas appearing in your mind, or unexpected support coming from places you never considered before. What once felt blocked is now beginning to open slowly but surely. This energy is rewarding your patience and silence, struggles, and no one else fully understood. Taurus, you are entering a phase where efforts starting turning into a real result and stability begin replacing uncertainty. You might even feel a strange sense of relief or calm before the actually money start flowing in. Stay focused, avoid distractions, and trust that timing. The financial update you have been waiting for is not far anymore. It is already aligning with your path. Taurus, as you move closer to this new financial chapter, don't let fear, doubt, or impatience pull you off your path. The biggest danger right now is giving up right before things start to shift in your favor. Distractions, negative people, and overthinking can delay what is already meant for you. Stay constant, even when results are not immediate. Protect your energy and focus on what truly matters. Remember, every delay you faced was building your strength for this moment. You are closer than you think, and what's coming is worth every challenge you survived. Keep moving forward with faith because your breakthrough is already in motion. Taurus, let's talk about your final warning. Taurus, as you move closer to the new financial chapter, don't let fear, doubt, or impatience pull you off your path. The biggest danger right now is giving up right before things start to shift in your favor. Distractions, negative people, and overthinking can delay what is already meant for you. Stay constant even when results are not immediate. Protect your energy and focus on what truly matters. Remember, every delay you faced was building your strength for this moment. You are closer than you think, and what's coming is worth every challenge you survived. Keep moving forward with faith because your throughout is already in motion. Taurus, this is your reminder that nothing you have gone through was wasted. It was all leading you here. A powerful shift is already aligning with your life, and very soon you will start seeing the result for everything you have been waited for. Trust the process, stay patient, and don't lose focus now. If you claim this positive energy and believe your financial breakthrough is coming, comment "I claim it." Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss your next message. Taurus, your transformation is already in motion and it's on getting stronger from here. Last but not the least, welcome to my channel. I have moved from Filipino content to English to connect with a wider audience and bring you more powerful, meaningful messages. Thank you for your support. Your presence here means everything. Stay tuned because bigger and better content is on the way for you. Thank you.